In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your Agoda account with your email. Even though this process is mostly automatic, it's still helpful to understand what's happening behind the scenes and how to quickly check that everything is set up correctly. First, make sure you're already logged into your Agoda account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and open the Agoda website or app and log in with the details you used when you created your account. This might be your email and password or a social login like Google or Apple, depending on how you registered. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Agoda home screen, you're ready to move on. Next, look for your profile icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen on the website or in the main menu area if you're using the app. It may appear as a small person silhouette, your initials, or a simple profile image. Click or tap on that profile icon. A small menu will open, giving you a few account-related options. From that menu, select the option labeled Profile, and this will take you to your main profile page where your account information is stored. After you open your profile, you'll see a section called User Details or something very similar. This is where Agoda keeps your basic personal information, such as your name and your email address. Take a moment to find the email field in this section. This is the email that Agoda has linked to your account. Now, here's the key point. The email address you used when you first created your Agoda account is automatically verified and linked to your profile as soon as you sign in. That means if you registered using that email and successfully logged in, your email is already connected to your Agoda account. You don't have to click any extra confirmation buttons or go through any additional linking steps in most cases. If you're looking at your user details and the email shown there is the one you used during sign up, then your Agoda account is already linked with that email. That's all there is to it. You're set up and ready to receive booking confirmations, updates, and any communication from Agoda at that address. If, for any reason, the email shown there isn't the one you want to use, you can usually edit it directly from the same user details section. Just remember that changing your email here will change where Agoda sends your booking information in the future, so always double check that it's typed correctly before you save any changes. To recap, you log into your Agoda account, open your profile by clicking the profile icon, go to the profile page, and then look under user details to view your email. The email you used when you created your account is automatically verified and linked once you sign in, so most of the time there's nothing extra you need to do. That's how you link your Agoda account with your email and confirm that everything is correctly connected.